Welcome to the Voice Your Choice webinar on creating your online advanced care plan. During this webinar, you will learn how to create and share your online advanced care plan using the Voice Your Choice online platform. We encourage you to review the How to Create an Online Advanced Care Plan guide, which can be found on the community page of the Voice Your Choice website. The guide is compatible with this webinar and will provide additional detailed information. Voice Your Choice is a community-based program that provides advanced care planning education, resources, and support for the community, as well as for healthcare providers. Voice Your Choice focuses on assisting individuals like you to think about and designate a healthcare agent, someone who can speak for you and make decisions if you cannot speak for yourself. Voice Your Choice is a leader in digital advanced care planning, utilizing an online platform that makes advanced care plans more accessible in an emergency and portable across sites of care. There are many unique elements to the Voice Your Choice program. First, Voice Your Choice is a community-based program. Often, advanced care planning programs are in institutions such as hospitals, outpatient clinics, or embedded into physician practices. Being a community-based program means that Voice Your Choice reaches out to all community members, regardless of where they receive their healthcare, and all healthcare providers, regardless of where they practice. Voice Your Choice encourages all adults 18 years and older to document their healthcare wishes, not just those with serious illness or frailty. Accidents can happen at any time, and as we have seen during COVID, illness can affect individuals at any age. It is best to prepare ahead of a healthcare crisis or serious illness. One of the most exciting elements of the Voice Your Choice program is the free online platform that allows for the creation of an online advanced care plan or the uploading of an existing paper advanced care plan. An online plan is more accessible in an emergency and is portable across sites of care. The Voice Your Choice platform integrates with Maryland's Health Information Exchange, CRISP. Once an advanced care plan is in CRISP, it is accessible to all hospitals and participating providers across Maryland and the local surrounding areas. During this webinar, we will not be offering any medical or legal advice. Voice Your Choice is not responsible for any technical malfunctions with the website or online platform, nor can Voice Your Choice guarantee that your healthcare provider will view or follow your advanced care plan. Voice Your Choice has partnered with MyDirectives to bring you a free online platform, and you will see their name both on the platform and when you set up your personal account. The first step in creating your advanced care plan is to set up your personal account. To do this, go to www.voiceyourchoice.org. Once you are on the site, click on the green button in the top right-hand corner of the screen that says Complete Your Advanced Care Plan. This will take you to the online advanced care planning platform where you can create your personal account. A new tab will open automatically, taking you to the page where you can begin creating your account. First, click on the New User button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, fill out all the requested information. Make sure to use your personal email address, not a work email address. Create a username that will protect your account but is also easy for you to remember. When finished, click on the green Submit button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. After clicking on Submit, you will receive a welcome email in your inbox at the email address you provided. If you do not see the email, check your junk and spam folders. After reviewing the email, click on the blue Continue button, which will prompt you to create a password. Choose a password that is easy for you to remember and will keep your account protected. Once that is finished, your account is now set up and ready for you to enter information to complete your online advanced care plan. Once you have created your personal account, accessing it is easy. Simply return to the website at www.voiceyourchoice.org. And again, click on the green button that says Complete Your Advanced Care Plan. This time, you will click on the Returning User button. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to your personal dashboard. The dashboard provides you with an overview of your account. You can also easily add contacts or upload documents from this page. The first step in completing your online advanced care plan is documenting who will speak for you if you are unable to speak for yourself during a medical emergency. This person is called a healthcare agent. To choose your healthcare agent, select the My Decisions menu and then click on My Healthcare Agent. When you are filling out the Designation of a Healthcare Agent form, it is important to provide as much information as possible about the person you are selecting to be your healthcare agent. This will make it easier for a healthcare provider to contact them in an emergency. At a minimum, enter their name, relationship to you, and their phone number. It is important that you speak with the person that you would like to be your healthcare agent before entering their information. We recommend that you share your advanced care plan with your healthcare agent by clicking on Notify this person that you have chosen him or her to be your healthcare agent. We also recommend that you add a second person as a backup in case the first person is unavailable. Next, you will want to document and prioritize your values related to healthcare treatment. This is done by selecting the My Decisions menu and then clicking on My Advanced Care Goals. Review and select the options that are most important to you. You can also write additional information in the text box that is not in the selections provided. Once you have chosen your values, prioritize them by using the small arrow on the right to move selections up or down. You can update this list at any time. On this page, you can also provide information about your religion or beliefs. A key part of advanced care planning is selecting the kind of medical treatments you would want if you are unable to speak for yourself. You can do this by selecting the My Decisions menu and then selecting My Preferences in Specific Circumstances. We recommend that you review this page, note any questions that you may have, and then bring those questions to your healthcare provider. After your questions are answered, it is time to complete your selections. If you need help with starting a discussion with your healthcare agent, healthcare provider, or loved ones, a discussion guide is available at the bottom of the page. Another tool to help you as you create your plan are the orange guides that can be found throughout the platform. These guides define words you may not be familiar with and provide answers to commonly asked questions. Another opportunity in the My Decisions menu is the option to state your end-of-life preferences. You can select where you would like to spend your final days, if you have a MOLST form, and your preference for organ and tissue donation. Finally, the last selection in the My Decisions menu is the My Thoughts tab. My Thoughts provides you with a place to share details about your likes, joys, dislikes, fears, and how to care for you. This page is focused on non-medical preferences, such as having your bed face a window, wanting an extra blanket to make sure you're warm, or flowers next to your bedside. We encourage you to share this page to begin a conversation about advanced care planning with those who matter the most to you. If you already have an existing paper advanced care plan or another advanced care planning document, you can upload it on the dashboard page by clicking on the green button that says Add Documents. You can also use quick links and click on Document Upload. When adding a document, be sure to clearly name it, select the type of document it is, and enter the date you are uploading it. Healthcare providers will look for and use the most recent document in the account to honor your wishes. It is very important that once you complete your advanced care plan or upload your existing advanced care plan, you share it with your healthcare agent, healthcare provider, and those who are closest to you. You can share your advanced care planning information by adding contacts to your account. This can be done on the dashboard page or under the My Circle menu by selecting My Contacts. When sharing information with your contacts, you only need to share what you are comfortable with. Your choices will range from no access to share all documents. If you change your mind later, you can always edit this information. When you have completed your advanced care plan or uploaded an existing advanced care plan, you can view either by selecting the My Documents menu and clicking on Preview My Documents. You can also print out a hard copy by selecting Print My Documents. To see what a healthcare provider will view, click on the Summary link under Preview My Documents. In addition, you can also view your document history by selecting My Documents and clicking on Document History. The document history is a chronological listing of all the changes made to your account and the date that those changes occurred. The list cannot be altered, which is one of the many ways that your personal information and choices are protected. Thank you for watching, creating, and sharing your online advanced care plan. For further support in creating or uploading your advanced care plan, please visit the Voice Your Choice website at www.voiceyourchoice.org. The website has many resources, including the How to Create an Online Advanced Care Plan and How to Upload Advanced Care Planning Documents guides that are found on the community page. The guides follow this webinar and provide more detailed instructions. The next webinar will review additional online advanced care planning resources on the Voice Your Choice website.